Now we're going to create the observers for our database, and we're going to create 3 different classes, naming them more or less at random: archiver, to watch what kind of database records are being archived; client as well. We're going to name another class client, which is an observer; and boss, so the boss can be watching what's happening on the database. So those are the 3 classes we're going to create. They will all be observers, and here is the archiver class. It implements the observer interface as you see here. That means that it has to implement the update method. The update method will be called when something happens in the database that is an event worthy of notification, and the update method is passed the operation and the record that occurred in the database. So that's the archiver class. Now we've got to implement the update method. And here's the update method, and in this case we're just going to print out that the archiver says a operation was performed on record so and so. So in other words, the update method is just going to show you that it was called by the subject by printing out a message. The archiver says a operation was performed on so-and-so record. That lets you know that the archiver, a registered observer, has been called by the subject when something happened inside the database. Next is going to be the client class. It's also an observer, and it has, as such, it implements the observer interface. It has an update method, and it's going to say the client says a so-and-so operation was performed on so-and-so record. So just like the archiver class, the client class is going to simply notify you that it in turn has been notified by the subject that an operation took place. Similarly with the boss class, we're going to have the boss class implements observer. It's going to have an update method as well. The boss says that so-and-so operation was performed on so-and-so record. So the idea is that we're going to register 3 observers, cause an event to occur in the database, and then make sure that the actual 3 observers are notified correctly and watch what they print out. Let's take a look at how that works next.